Hi there, on this video, I'll show you how to fix Netflix app not working. To start, open and locate your Settings application. Once in Settings, go over to Apps. Tap on it. Now that I'm in Apps, I'm gonna search for Netflix. Once in Netflix, tap it. Now that I'm here, I'm going to click on Remove Permissions if app is unused, and then click on Permissions. Tap on Microphone, and allow only while using the app. And then click on Nearby Devices, allow it as well. And then scroll down. Follow the settings in my screen. Once done, go back. Now force stop Netflix, and then click on OK. Now go to Storage. Once in Storage, clear Cache on the bottom right. Wait for it to load. Now you're done, you can now have the option to close settings. And then, open and locate your Google Play Store. Once in Google Play Store, update or re-download your Netflix. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, share, and subscribe.